So let's just be real. Your hair is always growing. The problem isn't growth, the problem is retention. Dryness makes your hair fragile and fragile hair breaks. Breakage makes it look like your hair is stuck when in reality it's just snapping off as fast as it grows. And dryness isn't only about lack of moisture, it's also about how well your hair can hold on to that moisture. That's where the right deep conditioner comes in, and that's where this conditioner comes in. It doesn't just make your hair feel soft for a day, it repairs, strengthens, and trains your hair to stay hydrated for longer. Hi natural lovers, welcome back to Everyday with Mandy. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming by and for always being here. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, you're highly welcome. I share easy DIYs, natural hair growth tips, and hacks to keep your hair thriving. So don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and let's grow this healthy hair together. So guys, let's get straight to the business of the day. So I started off by washing my sweet potatoes, peeling them, and then cutting them into tiny pieces. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta carotene, vitamin A, C, and vitamin E. This nutrient helps to strengthen weak strands, fight dryness, and improve scalp health. Most people eat sweet potatoes for skin benefit, but could you believe that even your hair loves it more? Other beneficial nutrients of sweet potato includes iron, vitamin B6, and omega-3 fatty acid. This contributes to healthy hair growth, thickness, and reduce hair fall. Get your sweet potatoes, peel the bags, cut it into tiny pieces, then go ahead and pour it into a cooking pot and add some water that is enough to cover all the potatoes, and we're going to be boiling this. After boiling for a few minutes, you will notice that it gets soft. Sweet potatoes are not that difficult to get cooked. They cook really quick, they cook faster. So within a few minutes, you notice that your sweet potatoes have become very soft. So after cooking, we'll go ahead and put into our blender because we're going to be blending this into a very smooth paste. It's actually really soft, so you can decide to use your hands to mash it into a smooth paste. And after blending, this is the consistency that we have. If you can recall, I added in the water I used in cooking this sweet potato. Sweet potatoes can really get thick, so you can add in some water depending on the consistency that you have, but this consistency is the best. Just go in and add in the water used in cooking the sweet potato. Don't make it too runny and don't make it too thick. Just add water that will give you a good consistency. After that, the next thing we'll be going in with is our aloe vera gel. You can use the fresh aloe vera gel, okay? You can extract your fresh aloe vera gel and use it for this recipe. Aloe vera helps to salt itchy scalp and balances pH, that is the scalp pH. If your scalp feels dry or flaky, aloe vera brings relief and moisture. So after that, I added in some glycerin and I added in olive oil. You can use almond oil, you can use coconut oil, or any oil for this recipe. If you have essential oils like rosemary, tea tree, peppermint, or any essential oil, vitamin E, you can go ahead and drop some into this as well. So after that, I gave this a very good mix. I mixed the oil and the butter properly, and this is what we have after mixing. I'll be sharing some tips with you on how you can apply this and what you should do and what not to do, okay? So you want to stick around till the end of this video. In case you've watched up to this point and you've not liked this video, please do to give this video a thumbs up and also drop a comment on the comment section. Now here is how to apply this deep conditioner for the best result. We are going to start this application on a freshly washed damp hair because clean hairs absorbs treatment better. I had to put this deep conditioner inside the fridge because I used it the next day. I wanted to wash my hair, so I had to put it into the refrigerator, and this is the next day. Please, no matter how in a hurry that you are, do not apply any treatment on a hair that is not washed, because it's just going to sit on your hair and not penetrate into your strands, and it will not penetrate into your scalp either. So you're going to be applying this section by section. You're going to be sectioning your hair, especially if you have a very full hair, because you want this treatment to touch every strands on your hair. Apply this deep conditioner generously on your roots, on your tips, on your ends, because that's the most fragile part of your hair. Now, here is the secret to getting the most out of this treatment: consistency. Using it once will give you an amazing result, but you see, using it regularly, it will transform your hair over time. Try it once in a month or once in 2 weeks, depending on how dry your hair usually feels. And I also want you to know that healthy hair is not just about length, it's about maintaining strength, softness, and moisture. When your hair is constantly hydrated, breakage reduces drastically, and that's when you finally see your length flourish. So you want to pair this treatment with gentle handling. You want to pair it with protective styles and balanced moisture and protein. I dropped a video about protein treatment, so you can also try protein treatment if your hair is breaking off when it's wet, okay? So I would like to say this again. Your hair is growing. The only thing that is standing between you and the length you want is dryness and breakage. So once you start using this deep conditioner, you will never see moisture the same way again. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who is also on their natural hair journey. And also, I would like to hear from you. What's your biggest hair struggle right now? Please drop it on the comment section below and let's talk about it. After applying this deep conditioner, do not forget to cover up your hair with a shower cap and let it sit for 30 minutes before you rinse it out. And I would like you to comment 30 minutes on the comment section, so I will know that you watched up to this point and got all the tips I shared. Till my next video, bye.